If you're looking to get ahead of the curve with the latest AI technology, then you're going to want to stick around as we dive into an exclusive review of Interpret AI, the best just released AI software. There's a lot of buzz around it, and today I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this game-changing tool. Make sure to watch till the end because I'm also going to share how you can try this software for free, plus some key insights on why this AI might just be your next go-to digital assistant. First things first, Interpret AI is designed to simplify and streamline the process of understanding complex data. This software uses cutting-edge natural language processing to interpret large volumes of information, making it easier for businesses and digital marketers to extract actionable insights from raw data. Whether you're dealing with customer feedback, survey results, or even large data sets, Interpret AI helps you make sense of it quickly. If you're in digital marketing, this could be a game changer for your strategy. What sets it apart? It's the speed and accuracy. Interpret AI doesn't just summarize data, it analyzes and breaks it down in a way that's easy to digest. You won't have to sift through endless pages of data or manually interpret reports. The AI does that for you, saving you hours of valuable time and reducing the risk of human error. Another standout feature is its ability to provide predictive insights. Interpret AI can analyze patterns in data to give you forecasts and recommendations. This is especially useful if you're working on long-term strategies like marketing campaigns or product development. The predictive capabilities of this software are a game changer for anyone who wants to stay ahead of the competition and make informed decisions faster. For those who aren't tech savvy, don't worry. Interpret AI is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need a PhD in data science to use it. The interface is simple, intuitive, and designed for people with any level of experience. This makes it accessible not only to seasoned marketers, but also to business owners and even solo entrepreneurs who need to analyze data without the hassle of complicated software. If you're concerned about integrating it into your existing systems, I've got good news. Interpret AI plays nicely with other popular software and platforms. You can easily connect it to your CRM, marketing tools, or even Excel sheets to import your data and get started right away. The flexibility here is one of the major advantages for businesses with existing workflows in place. Another impressive aspect of Interpret AI is its scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, this software can scale to meet your needs. The AI adjusts according to the size of your data and the complexity of your operations, meaning it grows with you as your business expands. Lastly, let's talk about security. With data breaches becoming more common, security is crucial. Interpret AI uses top-tier encryption and complies with industry standards to ensure your information is always safe and protected. You can trust it with sensitive business data without having to worry about compromising security. Now here's the best part. You can try Interpret AI completely free. Check out the link below and get access to a no-strings-attached free trial. If you're on the fence, this is your chance to test it out and see if it's the right fit for your needs. And before I wrap up, if you're looking for more AI tools that can take your business to the next level, I've got a list of my top recommendations in the description. After testing thousands of AI software options, I'm confident these tools can help streamline your operations and boost your digital marketing efforts. Give Interpret AI a try, explore its features, and see for yourself how it can transform the way you work with data. Don't miss out. The future of AI is here, and it's ready to work for you.